Welcome to week 50. I made a sketch of a little snowman and did scan and work on it and made a sheet of snowmans, which you actually can download in my free member area. So today I'm gonna play with this snowman and watercolors. Plain watercolors and some metallic watercolors. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out my snowman here. It is a mixed media paper, not a watercolor paper. And I'll use the Jane Davenport and Sutoma watercolors. You can use whatever you have on hand. Usual disclaimer. And I start by elongate those lines. First thing I need to do is spray my watercolors. And I'm gonna first paint the heart and do then the other stuff. I want to have that dry before I paint the snowman. Some orange for the nose. Now for the sky, I start first by wetting all the areas around the snowman. I don't want puddles, just the shine. Let's see if we can. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. It's just the shine, no puddles. And now for the sky, I want some like a grayish blue. That's too much gray. Something like that. I do start at the bottom and then spread it out to have it lighter at the top. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this silvery, just for fun. You probably can't see it in the video. Just gives a little bit of sparkle. Okay. I went a little bit inside the wings, so I grab a brush and just work it out. That should be. Okay, that's my sky. Now for the snow, I'm actually gonna mix this silver with some white, and again I'm gonna dry it a little bit so it doesn't bleed into, and then I'm first gonna wet the area again like I did for the sky. Try not to touch the already painted areas, is sometimes hard. Adding a little bit of shadow underneath the snowman. Maybe even something like that. No, that's not the right blue. Maybe that. Yeah, that's better. Just slightly. And then we need some shadows on the snowman too. I could have left it simply white, but I want the shimmer. Now his cap gonna be red. It's not a really Christmassy red. I want a Christmassy red, which I think is this one. Nope, it's not this one either. Too much magenta. Okay, what about this red? That's not bad. We add a touch of this to deepen the color a bit. Okay. He's gonna have, now I'm first gonna make sure that everything is dry. Now I need a nice Christmas green. Let's see what we can come up with. That's too green. We need a tiny bit of that. Maybe even a touch of black. Yep, here we go. Just realized I forgot his wings, because yeah, everything with wing. Even a snowman can have wings. So let's give him some golden wings. I do use a Sharpie marker. I simply press it a bit and then adding and I'm gonna remove it from the wings and the big ones. Maybe I need to cover up the snowman a bit. So I decided to add tape just to make life a little bit easier. My last step is adding a little bit of a border around. I'm starting with the evergreen bow. Maybe I'm gonna add a black one too. But